yung Mineral Production Sharing Agreement nang sa gayon makinabang po yung ating gobyerno, yung ating bayan. And then magpalabas ng Department Order ang DNR na kailangan may MPSA ang lahat na nagbablock sand mining, aka quarrying or dredging, at kapag halimbawa hindi po sumunod at patuloy pang ginagawa yon, so implementation-wise, pwede na pong gamitin dyan yung power ng ating DILG to the PNP para paghuhulihin sila. And we can also use the Bureau of Customs because yan po ini-export sa China.
Sabi po ng DNR, yung local government, DILG daw, local government ang nag-i-issue ng permit dyan. According to the rules, 5 hectares and below, local government. Sila daw, wala pa silang nai-issue permit dyan. It's always the local government.
Thank you, Madam Sponsor. Thank you, Mr. President. Then in that case, meron